This is Johnston in CIS 225, and we're going to go ahead and create an answer file. So you go to Start button, and basically we're going to be going to the command prompt. And I tend to always run it as administrator. And from here, we're going to be doing, basically you download the AIK file, the Windows System Image Manager file. Let's see here. Sorry, the Microsoft Windows AIK file. And then you're going to create a directory here. So we're going to make directory 1 install. Then once you do that, which I've already created it, you're going to go into it. Or actually, we could just straight copy it. Just do xcopy. And when you make that CD, you're just going to copy it from your CD drive, which is usually your D drive. And then you're going to copy everything. And you do /S right there. And when that's all done, you're going to want to actually load it and install it. So I figured out what one of my problems was here. I kept seeing the Windows 7 install disk, and if you actually go in here, you can go to your settings. Right now, actually I can just go right here. Go to settings, and my CD DVD is set to the ISO image of Windows 7 when I installed it. So now I put that in automatic. Now we have our files in here, and that was the biggest issue. So now we just got to go ahead and install it. And now that we're in here, let's go ahead and get this installed. And so we're going to set this up right here. It's going to just take a minute to install this off the CD, or actually off our hard drive since we copied it over. So you go ahead and click close when that's complete. And close out this window. And now we should have some options here. And they actually show the Windows System Image Manager, but you can go right here, right to where it's at, and open that up. Then it wants us to select the Windows image or catalog file. And then you're going to right click this and go to select Windows image. Inside of here, we're going to have to go to that directory we just created. then on your Windows 7 CD, you have to put that in your computer. So you put that in here, and then we're going to go to Sources, and it's install.wim, and click Open. Go to File, New Answer File. And in here, we can basically expand our components. Maybe these components right here. And we're looking for this one. It says Microsoft Windows Setup 6.1. That's basically some numbers in there, and it says neutral. And I just click the little plus arrow here to expand to the user data right here. And you want to expand the user data. And we click product key. And as fast as we click on this, it shows us up here about the key settings and that kind of thing. And let's go ahead and we can right click this, and it says to add settings to pass 1 in Windows PE right here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead here and double click key, and right there you'll see it wants us to put a key in there, so you can put in any key you want. So there we go, so we got a key in here. And you click Will Show UI, and you have a little drop down arrow right here. And then you're going to go to On Air. So basically if there's an error, it'll put the product key in there. I don't really see too many other options in these other parts here. I'm sure I'd find plenty more in these other areas here. Now we're going to go to File, Save Answer File As. And it's going to be called Auto Unattend. Then we're going to go ahead and save this. And actually I can't save it to the CD, so for right now I'll go ahead and save it to my desktop. And actually, since that's an ISO, we'll just save it. We'll save it right to our CD there then. Right under here in Sources, Auto Unattend. Actually, we'll just go ahead and take this ISO out of here and do it that way. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this information and just copying it over to our AIK area, so that way it's easier to access and it's not on the CD drive. And I told it not to replace anything else that was in here. So we'll go ahead and we're going to save that answer file right to that area that we were just in. So your computer, C drive, the one install right here under sources. We'll save it right here because it's right where our our file should be saved. Alright, now we go to our Internet Explorer. And here, I'm going to go ahead and type in C. We're just going to go to that same area. When install, sources, auto on attend.xml, and we'll just open it up here. And this is what it shows. See, it actually has the product key right there, and it says on air. It's basically an XML document, which is similar to HTTP. And there you go. Here's our answer file. And this is Johnston. Thank you for watching my video.